Hello my YouTube and internet friends. My channel is all about showing you how you can do your art journaling, mixed media and crafting on a low budget. My name is Ilona, better known on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and WordPress as Picture for Life. Every Thursday you will find new and free easy tutorial videos for art journaling and mixed media. So if you like to see more low budget, mixed media and art journaling, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you know when I upload a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and I have a blog on WordPress. So I got a question from somebody that saw my video on how to make images translucent, and I did it in this video again, but I have a tutorial video. I will link that one, and I used the technique again, but this time I got the question whether or not I could color my images after I had made them translucent. That's what I did, and yes, you can. Basically, so far I used a watercolor. I also tried it with watercolor pencils, so I make my image translucent and then go over with watercolor pencils, and that worked as well. And then I also wondered if I could color my fish first and then make it translucent. Because of the colors, I use liquid watercolors. I was kind of afraid they would smear out and it would make one big mess. So that was also something I wanted to try out. And you just witnessed that also works out great. So now I have a few different options to use on a page. To show you the three different effects that you can achieve with this technique. So this one is just stamped and then colored with watercolors, and then you get this effect. This one I used the technique, the same one, colored with the same watercolor ink. Totally different effect. So this one I made translucent, this one I didn't. And then I did one, this one. I stamped it, made it translucent, and then turned it over and colored the back. Now I thought I could use it swimming the other way around, and then I turned it over and I got this real muted, almost kind of vintagey look to my fish. That is also really pretty, and these are all done with the same color scheme. They have a yellow, a blue and a kind of a tealish color. Same colors, different technique. So now I have a few different options to use on a page. I found a page where I already started. I think I wanted to do something with a sea turtle. That never happened. But the page is still there and I still can use it because I wanted to create an underwater world, and these colors are perfect. So I'm going to work on this page some more and then finish my page. To create an even more beautiful underwater world, I wanted to have water plants, and I went looking for a dye that I could use to create these water plants, and I used a kind of a fibery specialty paper to die cut, and I glued them onto my page with Mod Podge. And I also gave the water plants some more depth by just using a black gel pen, and after that I also went over it very light with a white paint pen. And then it was time to arrange my fish on the page. I stamped some bubbles for some extra effect and used a white paint pen to give them some highlight. And that's how my forgotten page in my journal suddenly turned into an underwater world with my translucent fishies on them. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you next Thursday with a new video. Bye bye and have a